Hey guys, thanks for joining me in the first episode of my Earth Month series. Today I'm focusing on plastic straws. They've been a hot topic for the last year or so, and I've got some facts as to why they're so bad. According to www.strawlessocean.org, Americans use over 500 million plastic straws every day. There are only approximately 327 million people here, so to oversimplify that, every person in America is using 1.5 straws every day. Doesn't sound too far-fetched when you look at it like that. But you may be asking, why is this a problem if plastic is recyclable? The problem is that straws are too small and light to be caught by the sorting machines and recycling plants. This has led to lots of issues, including plastic contamination in 94% of U.S. tap water. So while metal straws are a great alternative, there are some people who need a plastic straw to be able to drink. I'll link a video that explains why from the perspective of someone with a disability. That just means the rest of us need to do our part to reduce or eliminate our use of plastic straws. So that's it for today. Let me know what you think, if you have any suggestions for future videos, and stay tuned for the rest of the Earth Month series.